Hi, I'm Shane Steffen. I'm the Director of Product Management for boats for Confluence Outdoor. Today I'm here to talk to you about the new redesigned Wilderness Systems Tsunami product range. So the Wilderness Tsunami has been redesigned in 3 sizes. The Tsunami 125, which is a great versatile boat at 12.5, easy to move around, and great for multi-water. And then we have the Tsunami 140 and the Tsunami 145. So the 140 would be our small medium volume boat, and our medium large sized boat would be our Tsunami 145. So we started off with a new design, and the Tsunami for Wilderness Systems is an iconic model. It's been known through the industry. It's tried and true. It's a great boat for both beginners, but also intermediate and advanced. It's a boat that you can really grow into. So we had a challenge of how do we make this better. We started off with styling. We really wanted to bring a more modern look to the Tsunami on design. So you've seen over the years as we've evolved the Wilderness Systems, this combination of kind of hard edges and soft, and that's what we've done. We've given a really nice, modern, technical look on the deck of the boat. What we've also done then is been able to, with this look, actually add some structure to the deck of the boat. So now we've been able to make it even stiffer. This is great for self-rescue, for wet re-entries. Now you got a stiffer deck, and of course a stiffer boat means better performance overall. So Wilderness Systems has always been known for their comfort, and it starts with our Phase 3 Air Pro seat in the Tsunami. So how can we make this better? So we did some small touches, which are big things in the Phase 3 Air Pro seat. It starts off with the routing of our backrest adjustment straps. We've actually raised them up higher along the cockpit. That gets them out of the way. They're not interfering with your thighs. It makes it more comfortable, easier to reach and maneuver. What that also has enabled us to do is, with these 4 bolts, you can actually loosen those bolts, and you can actually move the seat forward or aft, approximately an inch in each direction. Why is that important? It's important for load. If I want to balance my load for a weekend trip or a day trip, or if I've got longer legs and I want a little bit more space when I'm entering into the cockpit, I can slide that seat back. Also, what we've done is the foot braces. Because on the hull of the Tsunami, you've got this angled edge. The foot braces have always been angled. Now with recesses on the side of the boat, we've been able to actually put the foot braces in a more upright position. What's that mean? It means that you can actually connect to the boat better. You actually have your knees and your feet in alignment, so again, it's more comfort. You can spend more time on the water enjoying your paddling and not worrying about fidgeting around trying to find that comfortable spot in the boat. The other touch we want to talk about is the small things of looking at the small touches of how people are going to use the boat. So we're really trying to focus on how these are going to be used. So during the testing, we're out in the waters off of Charleston, South Carolina. We're in some 3 to 4 foot swells. We've been paddling for several hours. We've got our spray skirts on. The waves are crashing in at different angles, and we're trying to figure out, hey, I want to get to my water bottle. But no one really wants to break a spray skirt to reach in. So we thought about, where can I put water at? Where can I put my snack bar? So we came up with a deck bag. So all of these the 2018 models for Tsunamis will include these 2 deck bags that are really easy to install. They're great with a simple enclosure, pleated, so I can fit up to a 32-ounce insulated water bottle in there. I can fit my phone, I can fit a dry box, my first aid kit, several things I can fit into these. Also with that is new deck rigging. This new deck rigging is very versatile. You can do more of the more traditional deck rigging with this, or you can actually be flexible and do a more modern look, which is how it will ship from the plant, like this. So it gives you the versatility depending on what you're going to put on your deck, whether it's a spare paddle or you're going to use the deck bags. It gives you a lot of versatility in how you can use that product. So stepping back here, the last thing I'd like to show is some of the other, again, talking about durability, and that is adding a skid plate. So we talked about one-piece single construction. We talk about the stiffening the boat where you need it, and now it's adding a skid plate, because we all know that we're going to end up dragging our boats at some point in time down to the water, and you want longer life. This is a wear point. It no longer is now, because now you've got a nice replaceable skid plate. The very final thing is performance. The Tsunami has been known for its performance, and people love the Tsunami for two main reasons. One is the stability profile of this boat is phenomenal. It makes you feel comfortable from the first time you sit down into this boat. The second is the tracking. It tracks so well. For new beginning paddlers, you can just jump into this boat and you point it where you want to go and you paddle and it gets there. But we felt like with some small little adjustments, we can make this even better. So what we've done is we've actually moved some of this volume from under the water to above the water. So in the past where we've had straight walls, we've actually flared them out a little bit, getting that volume above the water. That now it reduces your wetted surface, actually improves the speed of the boat, and actually increases that secondary stability now on these models. So now they feel even more comfortable. You can get into some conditions, into some tougher conditions, and still feel comfortable with this boat because you can really lean it up on its edge and feel that rock solid support of that secondary stability. So that's the new Wilderness Systems Tsunami line. Again, the Tsunami 125, Tsunami 140, and 145. They're going to be available in November of this year. And you can go to wildernesssystems.com for more information.